King Ben in the house. All right, so since I'm home today, we are doing homework. So we have to make sentences. So let's see. We have about 12 words, I think, we got to make sentences of. So this is what we go through per word to come up with a sentence. Let's see how this goes. More, what would be pretty? What are you doing? Okay. Like, I just want to get this one sentence over with. Like, what could be possibly... Like, you can't come up with a sentence with pretty?
That chalk is pretty.
That chalk is pretty? That's the best you can come up with? There's got to be something else that could be pretty. Like, you can't think of anything else that could be pretty.
Picture of the beach?
No, stop looking around. Like, use your mind. Try to be creative. What else could be pretty?
Having a bunch of pictures?
Right, but make a sentence that could be pretty.
I'm done. I can't even think of one thing.
Well, there's got to be something you could think of.
You're
Like, one sentence that says pretty.
Mom, can you help me with a sentence with pretty?
Alright, go ahead.
The only thing I could think of is a pink ribbon.
A pink ribbon? So make a sentence of that.
That pink ribbon looks pretty.
Okay, I could deal with that. Okay. Now, we are back onto Common Core Math. So since I'm off today, I'm doing homework with Peter, and now we have to figure out, Anne is grouping 38 rocks. She can put them into groups of 10 rocks or a single rocks. What are the different ways Anne can group the rocks? Now, group of 10 rocks. I understand that's 3.
Dad.
Wait. And the single rocks is 8. So we have 3 groups of 10, 8 single rocks. I don't know why they would want me to break it down 3 more ways under it. So now they want me to say there's 2 groups of 10 and then 18 single. I don't understand this. I just honestly do not understand why they would want me to break it down any further. And then it gets worse as we get to that. So then I don't understand. I really don't understand why they want me to do this. I'm almost better off going to work than having to try to figure out, and this is 2nd grade math. I can't even imagine it getting any harder than this. So, all right. We got to finish this ridiculousness. All right, so we just finished math, Common Core Math. I'm really... I don't get it. I don't understand what we're teaching. So look. Mr. Grant needs 30 pieces of felt. All right? He can buy them in blocks of 10 or as single pieces. So why would we want to teach our kids, instead of just going in there and saying, I need 3 packs of 10, why would we want to teach them, okay, give me 1 pack of 10 and 20 loose ones. Yeah, because first of all, the store clerk is going to want to deal with that. He's going to want to deal with me going in there jerking around because I need 30 pieces. They come in packs of 10. But no, I want 1 pack of 10 and 20 single pieces. Oh my God. I can't. I honestly, I can't. I just don't understand this. I really, God, honestly don't understand this. And it took us, he got out of school at 3 o'clock. It took us a solid hour to write 12 sentences, because some of these words that they want him to put in a sentence, one word was jolt. He had to put a word jolt in a sentence. And I mean, it's not as easy as you think, because you can't say like jolted or, you know, it's got to be the way the word is, and then make it in a sentence that makes sense. So it took over an hour to write 12 sentences and finish this side and this side of absolute pure dopiness. I can't figure it out. And the poor kid's been in school all day, and now we had to spend an hour of both of us getting aggravated for an hour to do that. But thank God we finished it because we got football practice, and I'm mentally already exhausted. So, which makes me think, like, if you go to school and you have homework, what if you're homeschooled? If you're homeschooled, do you still have homework if you're homeschooled?
No.
I don't know. I could tell you what wouldn't be going on if he was homeschooled. He wouldn't be trying to figure out how many apples Mrs. Chang is picking and how she could bundle them and pack. How many different ways can she break them up into 50 pieces? That's what we wouldn't be doing. Wow. I don't get it. I don't get it. I really don't. But, all right. So that's another homework. Thank God it's done. We don't got to worry about it tonight. And that's that. Peter, what are you doing? All right. So now we got football.
Yep.
In 2 hours. So thank God that's over with. It's done. And that is the life of doing homework in today's day and age in 2nd grade. I can't even imagine how this youth is going to run this country when they get older. If this is how they want them to do. Peter, get out of the way. If they want them, and look. And then he's got to write why he came up with that answer. And, I mean,
Actually,
first of all,
you came up with that.
Huh?
Actually, you came up with that.
Right. Right. Actually, I came up with the answer because there's no way in hell a 2nd grader is going to be able to tell you how he came up, why the reasoning is that he came up with the answer. So, yeah, I gave him the answer to the bottom one, saying describe how you got to organize the answers. And God only knows I probably got the answer wrong on how he came up with it. So that's that. All right. Hopefully football goes better than 2nd grade homework goes. So that's that. Got anything you want to say before we cut it out?
I did an outro.
Huh?
I did outro.
The what show?
The outro.
What's the outro?
Outro.
What's that? Yeah. He's going to do the outro. Yeah, you like that, baby? You want more of that? Huh? You want more of that?